Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. So guys, some of the students are receiving this message. I will try to, you can say, clarify all the things in this message. Dear student, due to reason beyond our control, okay? These are the words which is painful for every CMA student, beyond our control, okay? CMA Institute, this is your reason beyond our control, unavoidable circumstances, okay? Your admit card is not released for the examination from 8th of December to 15th December. So your admit card will be issued in due course for the rescheduled examination in your case from 3rd January 2022. So please understand that the rescheduling of this examination will not applicable for all students. Those students who has successfully received the admit card, their exams are going to start from 8th of December itself. Please understand that those successfully received the admit card, their exams are going to start as per schedule from 8th of December. But those, you can say, that are receiving this message 3rd January, their exams are going to start as per 3rd January, and institute will release again the timetable. But some of the students who either not receive this message, or either, you can say, that not receive the admit card. So what will for them? As for this, institute need to release, you can see, the list of candidate. These candidates are appearing in 8th of December exam term of examination, or you can see that these students, you can say, are eligible to 3rd January. This will more helpful for CMA student. Okay, now CMA student, those yet did either not receive the admit card, or you can say this message, they are in dilemma. So institute, rather than this, institute need to, you can say, that release a proper list of students, those who are going to give examination from 8th of December, so that student clearly understand this. Hope institute, you can say that release this information as soon as possible. Whenever I get, I will surely update in this YouTube channel. Okay, I always support to CMA institute always support, okay, with positiveness. But institute is, you can say that not doing properly their job. Okay, their exam committee or the member or the representative, they are not doing their job properly. Okay, we need not to say these words, but how we can, due to beyond our control. Okay, if you conduct June 2021 examination on time, this problem will not occur. Now you can see that number of students has been increased. You are unable to find out the center. This is the main reason. If you have some other reason, so clarify the reason. Okay, beyond our control, unavoidable circumstances, these are not the reasons. Okay, most of the students who are in the 26th age, 27th age, 28th age, their family is totally depending on them. You are taking examination 1.5 year in only one examination. Okay, other professional institutions are taking examination on time. Why are you not taking the examination on time? Don't say these words, unavoidable circumstances or beyond our control. Everything is in your control. Okay, if you try to deliver. Okay, I always say positiveness towards the CMA institute. I always support CMA institute, but okay, they are, you can say, crossing their limit. They are not doing their job properly. If they did their job properly, so this kind of problem will not occur. Why they not conduct examination on June 21? If other sister concern institute can take the examination successfully, if they conduct examination June 21 on time, this problem will not occur. Now they are facing problem in finding out the, now they are also finding out the problem, finding out the center. Okay, apart from this, yes, if you are not sure to conduct examination in online, so why you are not going with the offline? Okay, my humble request to you, first of all, as soon as possible, institute need to release at least proper clarification. Okay, you can say list of students who are appearing from 8th December, and those students who are appearing from 3rd January. Okay, so I have received this information. One thing I want from you, in the comment section, you can share if you received this message, so which is your location, so that we can exact understand. As of now, we are also not able to understand which center or which location students are appearing this time, type table or this timetable. Okay, so if I get some other update, surely I will update in this YouTube channel. Okay, my humble request to CMA Institute also, please understand that the family of CMA student also depend on them. Whenever they will clarify, they start the job. Okay, so their family condition will improve. But if 1.5 year only one examination will conduct by CMA Institute, this is not good for the profession as well as for CMA student, as well as also for CMA members. Okay, so this is the information which I wanted to share. Okay, whenever I get some other update, definitely I will update in this YouTube channel. Okay, from my side, guys, that's all about this video. Bye, guys.